I bought course after course after course, and every single one left me in the same place, stuck at my desk, refreshing my inboxes, wondering why nothing is working. Turns out the problem was never the course, it was me. Not in the way that you think. I wasn't lazy, I wasn't stupid. I was doing something far more dangerous. I was consistently believing the answer was somewhere outside of me. The next opportunity, the next system, the next strategy, the next shiny thing someone was selling on a webinar at 2 a.m. Let me explain. For years, I thought I needed to find the right opportunity before I could succeed online. And every time something didn't work fast enough, maybe after a few weeks of posting content with no traction or running traffic that converted at zero, I started wondering whether something else would work better. There's always another course, another platform, another business model promising to be the answer, and I chased them all. Here's what I was actually doing. I was spending all my time searching for success instead of building the specific skills to create it. Then one day it hit me. The opportunity wasn't the problem. I was expecting the opportunity to do too much work for me. Think about it. No business model, no matter how well designed, can replace learning how to write copy that actually connects, how to structure an offer someone wants to click on, how to create content that holds attention past the first 10 seconds, how to understand what your audience is generally struggling with, and how to drive consistent traffic to anything you're promoting. Those are skills. Concrete, learnable, transferable skills. And they don't come preloaded in a 497 course, no matter what the sales page tells you. So I stopped asking, what's the best opportunity? And started asking a completely different question. What do I need to become better at? That shift changed everything. Because here's the thing most people miss: we mistake movement for progress. Researching another opportunity feels productive. Watching another YouTube video about a new side hustle feels like you're doing something useful. But that cycle of starting, stalling, and switching can actually keep you more stuck than doing nothing at all. Starting over consistently means nothing, gets enough time to compound, and your understanding of your audience, the trust you build through consistently content, your ability to write a headline or craft a hook, all of that deepens with repetition over time. And every time you reset, you're back to square one with it all. I realized there's probably wasn't going to be one magical thing that suddenly changed everything. The biggest return wasn't going to come from another product or another piece of software. It was going to come from becoming more knowledgeable and compatible myself, especially in areas like writing, marketing, and understanding buyer behavior. Now, I still pay attention to new ideas and technology, but the filter is different. Instead of asking, is this going to save me? I ask, does this support and sharpen what I'm already building? That's the difference between someone who's searching and someone who is growing. So if you're watching this and you recognize that pattern in yourself, constantly looking for the next opportunity, the next system, the next course, maybe the answer isn't another opportunity. Maybe it's getting generally better at the one that's already in front of you. Better at writing, better at marketing, better at showing up consistently enough that something actually has the chance to work. I spent years looking for the right opportunity when I should have been building the right skills. Recognizing that I was the real recognizing that was the real breakthrough. And look, if that resonates with you, here's something worth knowing. The link below takes you to a system I use that handles a lot of the operational heavy lifting. So you can actually focus your energy on developing those skills rather than building everything from scratch yourself. If you're curious what that looks like, check it out at bigresidual.com